Picture this, you're 3 minutes into a perfect trade on the ES. Price is moving exactly the way you called it. You realize your stop is in the wrong spot, and then boom, your internet dies. The power's still on, the lights are still on, but that little Wi-Fi icon in the corner of your screen is turning into the spinning circle of death. Now you're sitting there watching your trading platform frozen, the data feed is flatlining, and your account is bleeding out in real time. And the worst part? You've got a $3,000 trading computer sitting right in front of you, completely useless. It's like owning a Ferrari with no gas station for 100 miles. Here's the thing nobody tells you. The backup plan that could save your account from getting blown up tomorrow, it's already sitting in your pocket right now. I'm Eddie Z, I'm the founder of Easy Trading Computers, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to use your phone as an emergency internet backup for trading. This is the cheapest, fastest insurance policy a trader can have. And 99% of traders out there have absolutely no clue how to set this up. So let's fix that. First, let's talk about why this matters. Internet outages don't care about your trade setup. They don't care that you long 10 contracts on the ES. They don't care that you just got into a perfect breakout. Comcast goes down whenever Comcast feels like going down. I had a customer call me last month and he said something that stuck with me. He said, Eddie, if I'm in the middle of a trade and I can't connect, I'll lose my mind. And I get it, because losing your internet mid-trade isn't just annoying, it's financial bleeding. You can't exit. You can't manage your stop. You can't even see what the market's doing. You're flying blind in a thunderstorm with no instruments. And this is what I call the infrastructure fallacy. Most traders think because they pay for gigabit internet that they're bulletproof. They're not. Internet speed has nothing to do with internet reliability. And you probably know that. You can have the fastest pipe on the block, but if that pipe gets cut, snowed on, or your ISP has a bad Tuesday, you're done. Real traders don't ask, what if my internet goes down? They ask, what's my failover plan when my internet goes down? Big difference. Now here's where your phone comes in. Every modern smartphone, an iPhone, Android, doesn't matter, has a feature called personal hotspot. What this does is turn your phone into a mini Wi-Fi router using your 4G LTE or your 5G cellular network. Your trading computer connects to your phone connects to AT&T or Verizon or T-Mobile, and boom, you've got internet again. Think of it like a backup generator for your data. When the main grid goes down, you flip a switch and the lights come back on. But here's where most traders screw this up. They try to connect over Wi-Fi from their desktop, and either the desktop doesn't have a Wi-Fi adapter, or the one it has is some garbage built-in chip from 2018 that drops connection every 30 seconds and is totally useless. What you need is a quality USB Wi-Fi 6 adapter. I'm talking about something like the TP-Link Archer TX20U Plus or the Asus USB AX56. These run about 40 to 60 bucks. They support Wi-Fi 6 and dual band, and they actually hold a stable connection. You plug it into a USB 3.0 port on the back of your trading computer, install the driver, you're good to go. 40 bucks, that's it. That's your entire insurance policy. Now, before I walk you through the setup, here's a quick thing. If you want to know exactly what hardware actually holds up under pressure, Wi-Fi adapters, graphics cards, processors, all of it, I put together the free complete guide to trading computers as a link in the description. Grab it after the video. Okay, let's set this up. I'm going to walk you through it step by step on Windows 11. First, on your phone, if you're on an iPhone, go to Settings, tap Personal Hotspot, and then toggle Allow Others to Join to On. Write down your Wi-Fi password it gives you. On Android, go to Settings, tap Network and Internet, and then Hotspot and Tethering, and then Wi-Fi Hotspot. Turn it on and grab the password. Now here's a pro tip. USB tethering. Connecting your phone directly to the computer via a cable is actually more stable than a Wi-Fi hotspot for trading. Same setup menu on your phone, just choose USB tethering instead. No Wi-Fi adapter needed, and you get a more reliable connection. Now on your Windows 11 trading computer, plug your USB Wi-Fi adapter into a USB 3.0 port. Hit the Start button in the bottom left corner, and then click on Settings. Click on Network and Internet on the left side, and then click on Wi-Fi at the top. If Wi-Fi is not at the top of that list, click Advanced Settings, and you should see Wi-Fi at the top of the next list. Then click Show Available Networks. You should see your phone's hotspot listed. Click on it, hit Connect, type in your password, and you're online. Total setup time, maybe 90 to 120 seconds the first time. After that, your phone remembers, your computer remembers, and reconnecting will take under 5 seconds. Now, let me be straight with you. Trading over a cellular hotspot is not your everyday connection. It's not as fast or as stable as a hardwired Ethernet. And I'm not telling you to scalp the futures market connected to cellular data. That hotspot typically adds 20 to 50 milliseconds of latency compared to an Ethernet cable. Not ideal for scalping, but plenty fast enough to exit a position. This is your get out of jail free card. This is your, I have 10 contracts open, I need to flatten my position right now. That's the only reason you fire this thing up. Use it to manage risk. Use it to exit trades. Use it to call your broker and say, hey, my internet just died, please flatten me. Then go back to your hardwire Ethernet the second it comes back on. Because that's the whole game. A failover connection isn't about performance. It's about having any connection at all when the alternative is staring at a frozen screen, praying for the internet to come back on. And speaking of hardwired, if you're still trading on Wi-Fi as your primary connection, you need to fix that yesterday. Wi-Fi competes with your wife's Netflix, your kid's Xbox, the neighbor's smart refrigerator, and every Bluetooth device in a 50-foot radius. Run an Ethernet cable to your router, period. Here's the pro move though. Whether you're running NinjaTrader, TradeStation, or Thinkorswim, set up your trades with server-side bracket orders or OCO orders whenever possible. That means your stop loss and your profit target are on your broker servers, not just your own local computer. And then if your internet dies mid-trade, your broker's system still protects you automatically. That's the ultimate failover protection. One more pro tip, you definitely want to test this out before you need it. Don't wait for a real outage to find out your hotspot password is wrong or your USB adapter driver is busted. Once a month, unplug your Ethernet cable on purpose. Fire up the hotspot, make sure everything connects. It takes 2 minutes and it'll save your account when it really matters. Also, of course, check your cell phone plan. Some carriers limit hotspot data after a certain amount, or they charge extra for it. T-Mobile throttles after 50 gigabytes. Verizon varies by plan. Know your plan's limits before the panic moment hits. Look, the bottom line is this. Trading is a game of risk management, and the biggest risk most traders ignore is the one that has nothing to do with your chart. It's the moment your technology fails when you need it most. A $40 to $60 Wi-Fi adapter and the phone in your pocket is the difference between a controlled exit and a blown up account. Don't be that guy in the forum tomorrow posting, my internet died and I lost $5,000. Be the trader with the backup plan. And listen, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and slam that subscribe button right now. I put out new videos every week built around making your trading setup actually work the way it should. If you want to see what the ultimate trading computer looks like, you want to watch this video right here. My name is Eddie Z. I'm the founder of Easy Trading Computers. And as I always say, may that trend be with you.